Look at this man. Look at this man. He's in 6th place with 1 game to go. Butters, man. That's some pretty hot fire. Mikey and Christopher are both on B squad, and I'm all alone on C squad. Well, I do have Brad. Probably should have texted him to see what he was doing, but the one thing I dislike the most about C squad is you have to, it's at night, like 6 p.m. Literally, I gotta figure out what I want to do all day, and I sat in this chair all day. I watched some anime. I played some Valorant. I really didn't do anything today. I got a little bit of exercise, and I did take a nap. So I got a little bit of exercise to get my blood flowing, so I wouldn't be all groggy going into this 6 p.m. block. But it's 4:30 now. I got an hour and a half an hour before I can go into the bowling center. They're not allowing us to go in until an hour prior to our squad time. So I think I'm gonna go find some food, and then we're gonna get ready to crush the day 1 of the U.S. Open. Let's go. I've just been informed that I'll need 2 bowling balls for this block. This one and that one. First time ever. Well, just finished block 1. I don't really know how to feel about that block. Not super happy, not super mad. Kind of grinded. Had a lot of games between 220 and 230. A couple of 180 games for 140 over. Score itself is pretty good, but I felt like I could have bowled a little bit better. Had a decision that I made in the middle of the block that I wish I could take back, which I didn't do, but I just needed to trust myself and at least give myself a look. But through 2 different pitch blacks the whole time, had a 0-inch buffer one, pretty strong to play straight with, and then I balled down to the one that hooked a little more down lane towards the end. Really struggling with ball speed control. I think I'm just not trusting what I'm seeing, but we're off to a good start regardless. I think we'll be about 40 or 50 inside the cut number, but we're gonna be looking at that 24 number regardless, because we want to make sure we make match play and have hopefully a nice buffer going into match play. I guess screw it, let's look at the top. Let's look at that number 5 number. The closer we can stay to that, the easier it'll be to make the show, especially if we're already inside of it. So we'll be about a little less than 100 out of that after this block. But tomorrow's the hard day, and it's gonna be a grind. We're gonna get some dinner with Mr. Brad Miller. We'll probably talk about what happened today. Well, Brad and I just talked about women. Figured you guys didn't want to see that.
Why not?
I don't know. Well, how was your day? How was your day of bowling?
It was alright, could have been worse. Started very slow, had no ball reaction, didn't do the right things. Came out big the last 3 to get to 118. So
That's not bad.
Can't
that puts you in the number.
It's better than starting with 740 and then backing into plus 118.
I suppose in the grand scheme of things, it's all the same.
Yeah, but just for morale.
Mentally, yep. And if you're watching scores, or if you saw scores, because this isn't going to be up until later in the week, you know Chris bombed him. Bombs.
For 6 of 8 games. Huh? Last year, limped down the stretch. But
you're only 2 out of the show.
Yeah, but lots of bowling left.
True, lots of bowling left.
On different patterns, so.
Yep.
48 games left.
That's the start you want to see, though.
Yes.
Mine is not the start you want to see.
Oh, you got A squad tomorrow. Okay, good night. Well, we got day 2 at the U.S. Open. The 40 flat, I think they're going to be kind of tough. Chris grinded out about even. Mikey didn't fare so well, like 100 under. He's going to need some good score tomorrow to make the cut. Oh, here we go. I think we can either hook it with this, maybe that at the end of the block. I know Pate threw this the whole time, bowled really good. Or we got the urethane balls in this bag. Play to the right. All right, we'll see. Extremely unhappy with that block. Had about 40 under. Bowled 3 of the worst games I've bowled since I've been here. And a 170 with like 3 or 4 opens. 180 on a pair where 230 plus was very readily available. And then the last game, missed a single pin, threw one really bad for 180. I don't know. We could have easily been about 20 over that block if we just picked up our spares. I think we were just trying to create something that wasn't there instead of just letting it roll off our hands. So 105 over going into tomorrow. Just gotta let it go. It's very scoreable tomorrow, so move forward. Should be about 20 or 30 out of top 24. We'll stay in the cut number. It's look like it's floating around 90. We'll see. We shall see. Brad had a nice block.
I was just getting ready to block.
He had a nice one. You can 2 full on it.
No, that's all right. I'll wait.
Screw it.
Sigh of relief.
You were a good bowler today.
I was a better bowler today than I have been the whole season. So that makes me happy.
Yeah, you're really good with your hand. You were...
No, I know.
Yeah, man.
Hey, I'm with you. We're at that same point. So
Yeah,
I come from a place of knowing.
yeah,
that
we
judging.
were the best we've been, and we're in 30th. So that's.
Yeah.
No,
But
you got to be higher
nonetheless.
than that.
Oh, I'm like 25th or something. I don't know.
No, you're going to be way in the top 24, I think.
Probably not.
What do you got, 140-ish?
146.
Kind of hoping you're way in there.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I think it's going to be around 130 to 140 after today.
I don't think did our squad just do horrendous?
Yeah,
Like everyone?
pretty much.
I feel like Sanders is like the only guy that's in the top like 15.
I think 70 over was the high block.
That was me.
There were a couple people at
A
70
couple
over,
people.
yeah.
Wow, dude. That's wild.
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, Sanders, he's what, 260 over?
he backed into it too. He was at 310.
He was at
like 2 to
310, he
go.
backed into it. But is anyone else in our squad 200 over?
Probably not. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
A lot of the guys that were 190 over backed into like
Wow, that
double
is-
digits.
Yeah, a lot of the lefties that crushed him yesterday. How about you?
No good. 40 under for today. Could have been. I don't want. No,
yeah.
it really couldn't have been worse. Like I bowled it
I
down.
know, yeah.
I bowled pretty bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like
But you're still, what, 100 over?
yeah, 100-ish over. That should
Well,
be
the
all right.
number for 36 is 90.
I think it's gonna
and
stay
going
there.
Down. I think it's going to stay there, too. And the squad coming up, Mike Flanagan, how's it
Look
going?
at these 3
We're
cameras.
all, I know, look at this.
We're all doing the same
We're
thing.
getting the job done. It's the same
media.
camera we got.
We're
Yeah, it
media
is.
guys.
It is. Where's your Rode mic though?
I don't have one.
You got to get a Rode
I need
mic.
to get
it's
one.
Like it's like $199. I think you can afford it, Darren.
That's a lot of money.
I thought it was only like 100.
We need the likes. We got to
What
get the
camera
likes
is this?
and the comments on this
What camera
video
is it?
to get the interactions, so we can get the
Is it better than this
recommended.
Yeah.
thing? That thing's better than this
Yeah.
thing?
Yeah, it's better.
How much was this camera?
We got it for
That-
700.
That was the creator kit. It came with everything. Rode
Yeah.
mic and everything.
like
But
700.
This is the new daddy right here.
I heard Sony came out with a new one.
$700.
That's much smaller.
It's the first time they did like a turnaround cam.
It's kind of nice.
Yeah, it is. Darren stuff looks really good.
We scaring those ladies.
Channel looks really good. All right, sorry for interrupting.
Oh,
You're good.
fine. Dude, so the first game on 29:30, I did something in the 10th. Probably just like threw a batter. Or I left a 9-pin or something. And so I took my shirt and I like put it over my face, and then like my belly button showed. And Damon came down. He goes, "Man, you're really scaring off all the women.
Oh, is
You
that
can't
why
be
he said-
showing-" I'm like, yeah,
ladies
no,
love that.
Shouldn't have done that.
The Brad belly button.
Yeah.
Show some love down below in the comment section for the Brad belly button.
For the Brad belly button. I wish it had like more muscle around it, but you know,
The BBB.
we're on a long stretch here.
Yeah, man. Let's get some food.
Let's do it.
Day 3, the long pattern. We're still in the number. I think we're 4 spots out of 24th, but we're about 15 into the cut. Think they're gonna be scoreable today? I don't know. I think I need to do better mentally. Just bowl. Just bowl. A wild Brad Miller in his natural habitat, searching for answers for the Day 3 pattern of the US Open 2021. What's he gonna do? We don't know yet. We'll find out in the next episode of Brad and Kyle. Oh my God! I think we should have enough. We built 250 the last game to get to 213 over. I was really trying to not make this cut. Didn't bowl great. Kind of ironed some physical things out towards the end, which was really nice. And we should have enough. It's gonna be my first time making the cut since 2016.
Well, call me a liar, because it looks like I'm not making this cut.
Can't believe this number went up 150 pins. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the vlog. Just had to tell you guys that I'm not going to make it, even though I felt like I was making this cut pretty soft. Leaving A squad this morning. It is what it is. We move on. Pretty happy about how I finished the vlog today. Not really thrilled about my performance so far overall, but we get to keep playing, which is always a good thing. I finally came to this place, the Eddie. It's actually my second time here. Came here with Brad yesterday. Didn't vlog it, didn't feel like it. Just got done bowling, so I wanted to just chill. Kind of same deal today, but we're here, bowled okay. Mikey and Chris got their block later. The C squad. I think they'll both do well. Mikey will bowl good, he'll get in there. Chris will just rail him like normal, bowling a major. Nothing new. Probably closing the vlog out right now. I got some time to edit today. I'm gonna do that. Go back for the practice session tonight at 10, I guess. All right, peace, bye.